In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact fields on Mautic 4.5. We'll start by opening your Mautic instance and heading to the login page. Click Login and sign in with your credentials. For security, I won't show any account details here. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the gear icon in the top navigation. That's the settings menu where all your configuration lives. From the settings menu, choose Custom Fields. This is where you manage the extra pieces of information you want to store for your contacts or companies. To create a new one, click New. This opens the field builder and will work from top to bottom so nothing gets missed. Begin by typing a clear, human-friendly label. This is what your team will see on profiles and forms, so keep it concise and descriptive. Next, choose the object, contact or company. Pick contact if the data belongs to individual people, or company if it should be stored at the organization level and shared by associated contacts. Now select the data type. This choice affects how Mautic stores, validates, and filters the data, so match it to the information you'll collect. You can choose text for open-ended entries, number for numeric values, date for calendar data, and other specialized types if needed. Use the simplest type that enforces the right format to keep your database clean. Enter an alias. This is the machine name used by Mautic and integrations. Keep it short, lowercase, and without spaces or special characters. Consistent naming will save you headaches later when mapping fields to forms or syncing with other tools. Open the group menu. You'll see categories like core, which represent how fields are organized in the contact or company view. Select the group that best matches where you want the field to appear. This is purely organizational, but it helps keep profiles tidy and easy to scan. If it makes sense for your use case, add a default value. This pre-fills the field when a record is created. Only use it when most entries will share the same value to avoid accidental inaccuracies. On the right side, adjust the settings. Set the field order to control where it appears relative to other fields. Decide whether it should be visible on forms, which makes it available when you build Mautic forms, and whether it's required. Only mark it required if you truly need that data every time, as it can reduce form completion rates. When you're ready, click Save to keep editing, or Save and Close to return to the list. Your new field is now available across Mautic for segmentation, forms, and personalization. That's it, you've added a custom field in Mautic 4.5.